How to remove WhatsApp number on Facebook page. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can remove WhatsApp number on Facebook page. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First thing you will need to do is open up your Facebook. It's on the top right on my device. So open your Facebook up, head over to the menu on the bottom right, and now you will need to head over to the page where you have added your WhatsApp number. So I'll just switch to my page account, and this is my business account. Head over to the bottom right corner on the menu section again, and after you're there, you'll need to head over to your profile. After you're on your profile, you'll need to tap on the three dots right besides advertise. Tap on that, and now you're on the page settings. After you're on page settings, you'll see an option called add action button, or you can see an option such as edit action button. You can tap on that, and after you tap on that, you should find an option called WhatsApp message. Now I do not have the WhatsApp option right here, but you can have it right here if you have added that action button previously. Now to remove the WhatsApp number on your Facebook page, you'll simply need to tap on remove option for the WhatsApp option right there. After you do that, your action button will get removed, and on your profile you will no longer have WhatsApp's phone number, and people won't be able to contact you as well. And that is how you can remove WhatsApp number on Facebook page, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.